Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here you go. Here I have it. I'd like to say that this case is such a nice quality looking case. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the different sides. As you can see, this is the back. The sides right here. I love like the gold accent right here. So you can see it has the cutouts for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is what the inside looks like. Give you a closer look. As you can see, it is a MagSafe case. So although the back does look like this, I wasn't sure that it was, but it is compatible and it is a MagSafe case. But look at that quality, the shine. I'm gonna show you the bottom part. As you can see, it does have the cutouts here as well. And it feels so nice, so soft. I'm gonna show you for the camera. It does have that outer protection. It has a nice gold accent. Here on the side as well, it has these knobs for your controls. So you do get 360-degree protection. Like I mentioned, it is MagSafe compatible. And another great thing about this is that it is handmade. All right, let's go ahead and try it out on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Take a look. I went ahead and put the case on my phone and it fit so nice. Look at that, it fit perfectly. Everything is aligned. Like I mentioned, the camera is protected. Look at how nice this is. Like I mentioned, this is MagSafe, so I have a MagSafe charger right here. I'm going to go ahead and place the phone on the charger. As you can see, it instantly gripped right there. I don't have it connected right now, but I just wanted to show you that it does grip. It has a strong grip. I'm shaking the MagSafe charger, and as you can see, it is gripping on to the phone. So overall, if you're looking for a nice case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, definitely check this one out. It is available in another color. Quality is amazing and it looks great on my phone.